So when a lot of people give directions, they think more detail is better. Like, there's this thing here, it's the shape of this, go turn left here, whatever. And simply, this is not the case for better understanding of directions. The thing is, you want to simplify and narrow it down, because the way that we understand things is in wholes. We put them in these envelopes in our brain and then make sense of it. Kind of like a sentence. You put the words together and then you understand the meaning of the sentence. Well, this is how we understand many things, specifically the lay of the land. We kind of see it in its whole entirety and we understand it better versus turn by turn. You never fully memorize if you go turn by turn. So this became apparent to me when I came out to check out this area. I've never been here before, but I pulled up my Google Maps and it was on satellite view. Like, it shows all the trees and all the details, and I couldn't make heads or tails of anything. So I had to switch to the cartoonish, the fake looking one, and fully understood everything. It was just a relief washed over me in an awesome way. So this analogy of the Google Maps satellite terrain is a great visual to understand minimalism. See, the thing is, when you strip away all the details and you simplify to even almost a cartoonish effect, you fully understand the land, you fully understand where you're going. And you also can recognize, when you look at minimalism this way, is like scrapping all the detail, all the nuance, just get what you want, the most essential part. And maybe a couple extras are fine too, if they're helpful, like a side street's name or something like that. But for the most part, if you're going A to B and there's anything on the way, the map or the world that you live in should be simple for you to understand and safely and swiftly navigate your world. And what's another good thing about this is that you can use this and explain it, like why minimalism is such a good thing to somebody. If they're like, oh, I could never give up my stuff, be like, well, that's like going onto Google Maps and satellite view and being like, I could never give up the trees, I could never give up all that detail, and that would be kind of ridiculous, because you want to give up that stuff. What you gain in return is clarity. The satellite view, the trees, the stuff is really just bogging you down and slowing your progress. So that's it for today. Simple little concept. All right, that's it. Cheers.